Couture here. I'm going to show you another quick, easy project from Dollar Tree. You get 2 of these candles, Luminescence Scented Jar Candle, Fresh Linen, $1 each. They even have these little plastic lids. These are really cute, $1 each, $2 for that. A package of these foam shamrocks from the Dollar Tree, different colors. I'll take those out and show you. I'm going to use these from the Christmas tree project as well, little coins for St. Patty's Day. And I may even use one of these Shamrock St. Patrick boas. It's just this long, fluffy, feathery stuff with little gold on it, and I may wrap it around the candle. So I will show you how to make some St. Patrick's Day candles. Remember to always have your scissors and your hot glue gun, and of course I have my glasses on, and I will show you the final product, and I will show you how I have it decorated on my front table when you walk in our front door of our house.